Get on your stomach. On your stomach. Hands behind your back.
Hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
What are you doing, bro? What are you doing?
Stay there.
What are you doing?
Don't move.
Whoa!
Don't move!
Do not move.
Oh, what are you doing, bro? What are you doing, bro? What are you doing?
Stop moving.
Whoa, what are you doing,
Stop
bro?
moving.
What are you doing?
You're
Why?
placed under arrest.
Stop
You're placed under arrest.
resisting.
For what? Ow! Ow!
Stop resisting.
What did I do?
We'll tell you in a minute.
Alright.
Just relax. We'll tell you in a minute. Right there. We'll tell you everything that's going on. Don't resist.
All right.
Do not resist.
All right, Mr. You're under arrest for misuse of 911. You called my dispatch no less than 40 times within the past week. That is illegal in the state of Florida. Stand him up and search him.
All right, move your side.
Knees to your chest.
Bring your knees
Bring
into
your
your
knees
chest.
up.
Bring your knees to your chest.
Sit up.
Where's your car? All right.
Which side you want him on, y'all? All right.
Right there.
Okay. Stand up.
Stop.
Whoa!
Stop.
What are you
Do
doing,
not.
bro?
Do not.
What are you doing, bro?
Do not.
What are you doing, bro?
Really? You want to flinch at one of my officers?
What are you doing, bro?
You know.
Stop resisting.
What are you doing, bro?
Stop.
Stop.
What are you doing?
Stop.
Oh, what are you doing, bro? What are you doing, bro?
Stop.
Stop
What are you doing,
hitting
bro?
your head against the window.
What are you doing, bro?
Stop.
Against the window.
What are you doing, bro?
Stop hitting your head
What are you
against
doing,
the
bro?
window. Stop
What are you
hitting
doing,
your
bro?
head against the window.
Yeah, put that on, bro.
Stop, bro. Stop hitting your head. You're gonna hurt yourself. Stop hitting.
What's up, dog?
That.
Is he going in the back behind you?
So I'm gonna search him.
All right.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah.
You get your mama beat up. You want to get your wife, bro?
Yeah, of course.
All right, I got you, dog.
Stop.
Do not speak.
Stop.
Sergeant.
You got a spit hood?
I don't.
Sergeant, you got a spit hood? LT, you got a spit hood?
All right, come on, boss. You go again, huh? All right, mother.
Stop.
What you doing, dog? You scared,
Stop
Bosnia? Bosnia, you scared? You scared? You want to get your brains blown out at your house, bro? All right, come on, dog. You scared, you bitch? All right, I'm about to again. All right, come on. I'm about to pistol whip your wife right now. All right, dog. Come on, let's do some more. What's wrong, dog? What you doing, dog? You scared? Yeah, put it on, dog.
Stop.
Break, dog. Break, dog. Yeah, break them. Ah! Yeah. Ah! 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 My arm is breaking! Ow!
Stop.
Ow, my arm is breaking!
Stop pulling
Ow!
away.
Ow, my arm is hurting!
Stop pulling.
Ow, my arm is hurting!
Stop.
Ow! Ow! Ow, my arm is hurting bad! Ow, my arm
Do
hurts!
not pull.
Ow, my arm is bleeding! Ow! Ow, I can't breathe! I can't breathe! I can't breathe!
Talking, so you're.
Ow, I don't know! Ow, I'm sorry!
Stop.
I'm sorry! I'm sorry, my arm hurts! Oh, I'm sorry!
Put your legs down. Stop pulling.
Oh, I'm sorry!
Put your leg
I'm
down.
sorry, okay, I'm sorry!
Put your leg
I'm
down.
sorry! Alright, I'm sorry! I'm sorry!
You got control.
I'm sorry, yes! I'm
Try to
sorry!
check his pants.
I'm sorry, I'm sorry! I'm sorry, I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry, please! I'm sorry, I'm sorry! I'm sorry! I'm sorry, I'm sorry! I'm sorry! I'm sorry! I'm sorry! I'm sorry.
Check that leg.
I'm sorry.
Check. See if
Oh. Oh. I'm sorry.
Clear. How we doing, Ham?
Clear.
There.
Let's move.
I'm sorry. Oh. I'm sorry.
Stomach in the blue.
I'm sorry.
Sit in the car.
Sit down.
I think that clips in. I think that clips up top. Here. Yeah, it should. No. Jonathan Paul? Yeah, we just.
Like, I know it's got a bowl on there.
You got that phone?
Did he get you, LT?
No.
Sarge, did he get you?
Yeah, he spit on Marcus.
From the get-go.
No, he's resisting without still, but definitely badly ill for spitting on you and the sergeant. Sergeant, I'm gonna have him do another case number for the badly ill and the resisting. Alright.
We'll get 36.
I'll put this in my trunk. Is that our search? Work yourself down. This is your phone? Huh? This is your phone? Anything you need? Good. Put your arms out like that. Get you too? I put some of that shit in there, you can wipe your face.
Yeah.
I need someone to go with me.
To the
I want
station.
someone to go with me to the jail.
Alright,
Alright, yeah, I'll send somebody with you.
Oh, awesome. Okay, good.
I'll run out there.
Just have one officer,
I mean, you're heading.
They won't come down now, right?
Yeah.
well,
You're on OT, so you can go with him if you want. And if you want to go too, it's fine.
Yeah, I would say at least two more.
From what I heard, they're not sending deputies down to help you. No.
Get the stuff out of the car.